In this video, we are going to learn about the Grab WhatsApp group links from the web pages by using the bulk WhatsApp sender software. First, we open the bulk WhatsApp sender software. And next, go to the tools menu. Grab WhatsApp group links from the web page. In this tool is very useful to find the various WhatsApp groups in web pages. What you want. Let us see the process. First, click on the Grab Now button and next click on the Open browser. Then Chrome is open automatically and here search your required keyword. For example, PC repairs. Next, enter. Press the enter button. Here select your desired link and then open it. Next, come back to the bulk WhatsApp sender software. Click on the Start Grabbing button. If there are no groups available in that page, it will show the following error. Next, selected your another desired link, then open it. Next, come back to the bulk WhatsApp sender software, click on the Start Grabbing button. If there are any groups available in that page, then you have to save the file in your required location. Next, click on the Save button. File downloaded successfully. Let us check the downloaded file. I was saved my file in desktop. This is my file. Let's open it. These are the WhatsApp group links.